what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to organize your small kitchen. I'm also going to be sharing some quick and easy ways on how to upgrade the look of your kitchen. If you guys like this video, definitely be sure to leave it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any tips and tricks that you all want to share. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. Now, let's get on with the video. All right, so when you first walk into my house, this is my front door. I actually have an entire video on how I was able to get my entryway to look this way, but this is not the point of the video. So this is my kitchen. As you can see, it's pretty small compared to your average size kitchen, but it's perfect for me. I have full-size appliances and most importantly, a dishwasher, which I did not realize how important these things were, but highly recommend. So as you can see, this kitchen is pretty small, but I have been able to add on a couple of things that make this kitchen a lot more efficient and easier to store things in. So I'm gonna quit my blabbering so that you guys can learn what I have done to make this kitchen a lot more efficient. Let's jump into the hacks. The first hack I have for you all is to utilize your wall space. So when I first got this apartment, one of the things that I really wanted was a bar cart. I know it's weird, but it's just one of those things that I was really looking forward to. Unfortunately, this apartment is pretty small. It's about 550 square feet, so I couldn't get a bar cart in here. So instead, I decided to utilize my wall space and add a bar cart shelf. I actually picked up a regular shelf from IKEA, and I actually went in and added this wine glass holder that I picked up from Lowe's. Mark off the holes of your wine glass rack with a pencil and make some pilot holes. Now you can go on and attach your screws. I used 1/4-inch wood screws. Once your wine glass rack is attached to your shelf, you can go on and hang this shelf up to the wall. You want to make sure that you use heavy-duty wall anchors for this, especially if you're using this as a bar shelf. The last thing you want is for this thing to come down. I use 75-pound wall anchors for mine. Once that bad boy is up, you can go ahead and accessorize your new bar shelf. The great part about this hack is that it's totally customizable. You can use this shelf as a bar shelf like I did, or you can totally use it as additional storage. Whichever you choose, this is a great way to add extra storage to your kitchen. So the next hack I have for you all is to utilize the inside of your cabinet doors. This hack is extremely helpful if you have a small kitchen like I do. When you have such a small kitchen, you want to make sure that you utilize every inch of space you have in it. So adding on hooks so that you can hang things like your oven mitts or kitchen towels is super helpful. You can also add on these command hook strips to the back of magazine holders. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree and they're perfect because they're plastic. Hack number 3 is to add lighting to your kitchen. Lighting can really make a space look a lot bigger than what it is. I picked up these GE lights in a pack of 2 for only $10. These LED lights helped brighten up my dark kitchen, which definitely made a noticeable difference. Hack number 4 is to clean up your kitchen sink area by getting a decorative soap holder. I know this isn't really an organizational hack, it's more of a home decor hack, but I mean, this is a home decor channel, guys. I picked up this soap dispenser from HomeGoods and I just put in my regular Dawn soap. I feel like this is a great way to clean up your kitchen sink area, especially if you have a kitchen sink like I do that can be seen from all areas. This really cleans up this space. You can go a step further with this hack by adding on these little sink containers that you can add your sponge to. This will just help create a designated area for your sponge. That way it's not sitting on top of your countertop or inside of your sink, and it can again just keep your space looking very crisp, very clean, and of course very beautifully decorated. So tip number 5 is to use these connectable drawer organizers to organize your utensils and cookware. This tip is especially helpful if you have limited drawer space. My drawers are extremely tiny. They are definitely smaller than your average drawer. So I feel like adding on these connectable drawer organizers are a great solution for being able to organize my utensils and cookware. You can find these at HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. I see them all the time. I'll also see if I can find a link for you all on Amazon, just in case you don't have a HomeGoods or TJ Maxx in your area. I swear this video is not sponsored by HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. If you can't tell, HomeGoods is my happy place. So, all right, so tip number 6 is one that I find very hard to do. It's to declutter. When you have a small space or just like kitchen in general, it's really easy to accumulate a lot of stuff, a lot of gadgets. When you have a small kitchen, there's not many places to store these items, so you really want to make sure that you are going through your stuff every couple of months. So every so often I like to go through my stuff. If I haven't used something in the last 6 months, I get rid of it. So I either donate it or give it to a friend, but I remove it from my kitchen just because if I haven't used it in the last 6 months, I'm probably not going to use it in the next 6 months. So last but not least, tip number 7 is to use cabinet shelving. These are great because they help maximize your cabinet space. I have these cabinet shelves that I have inside of my cupboards, and I'm able to store my plates and bowls. And then I also have these under the cabinet shelves that I store under my shelf to hold things like my aluminum foil and Ziplocs and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys can't hear that. All right, I'm gonna go on anyway. So for this next portion of the video, I wanted to share some helpful tips on how to upgrade the look of your kitchen if you have an outdated kitchen. Thankfully, I have a kitchen that I like, but I know not everybody is as lucky as I am. And so there's definitely ways to fix this and make your kitchen a place that you enjoy being in. So the first tip I have for you all is to add peel and stick tile. This is a great way to change up the look of your kitchen, especially if you don't have tile or you have tile and you hate it. You can find peel and stick tiles just about at any home improvement store or Amazon. I haven't personally used them, but from what I've seen, they can totally be removed. So they're perfect for any rental. Tip number 2 is to change out your knobs. Adding different knobs can totally change up the look of your kitchen, and you can get really good deals at places like Amazon and Home Goods. All right, so the last tip I have for you all is to change the look of your countertops or cabinet doors by adding some contact paper. Contact paper is probably the most transformative way to change up the look of your kitchen. You can get some really good high quality contact paper that can go in your kitchen counters as well as your cabinet space. So I would definitely recommend considering that if you hate the look of your countertops or cabinet space. And those were my 10 tips and tricks on how to organize and upgrade the look of your kitchen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any tips and tricks that I didn't mention in this video. I would love to hear it. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you guys next week. Bye.